Hi everybody, it's Janelle. I'm back with another unboxing video today, and this is gonna be for our January box. So let's see what we got this month. So this month's theme is risk. So let's read the prompts. So we had create a world about your relationship with risk. Create a world about a time when taking a risk worked out, and then create a world about rebounding from a risk gone wrong. All right, and then we have a little pamphlet to explain the place that made the homemade things, and then we have a flyer from my dad's conference. So the first thing you're gonna see is gonna be this ladder. It's actually made out of wood, and it's like really cute, and it's really like homemade looking. So let's get to cutting. My parents actually made these dice homemade in the garage. So that's the dice, right? And then we have this Coliseum and this gladiator. Oh, and we have a little tricycle. It's really cute and tiny. And we have 3 bottles of alcohol. This one is actually Coca-Cola. This one is, I can't say that. And then this one is, also can't say that. But just know that it's 30 bottles of alcohol, except for the Coca-Cola. Everyone got a different kind of alcohol, so y'all didn't get the same thing. And then this is gonna be the thing that was handmade. It's a scorpion. So yeah, the scorpion is actually handcrafted from ironwood, and the company that makes it is called Earthview. And like I said, the pamphlet about it is gonna be in your box as well. The last item is this cannonball. So that was it for this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the sand tray that I'm gonna create. Thank you guys.